Hey, luxury travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're spilling the beans on how to plan an incredible luxury vacation without breaking the bank. Yes, you heard it right. Get ready to travel in style on a budget. Let's dive in. Setting your budget. The first step to creating a luxury vacation on a budget is to set a realistic budget. Decide on your overall spending limit and allocate portions for accommodation, dining, activities, and shopping. Stick to it, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Choosing the right destinations. Finding the perfect destination that offers luxury experiences at an affordable price is key. Look for off-season deals, lesser-known gems, and destinations with a favorable exchange rate. Remember, the world is full of hidden luxury treasures waiting to be discovered. Smart booking strategies. Timing is everything. Book your flights and accommodations well in advance to take advantage of early bird discounts and special offers. Also, consider using travel booking platforms and reward programs to maximize your savings. It's all about being a savvy planner. Luxury deals and packages. Keep an eye out for luxury deals and packages offered by hotels and resorts. Many establishments offer bundled deals that include accommodations, dining, spa treatments, and activities at discounted rates. It's a fantastic way to experience luxury without breaking the bank. Indulging in local experiences. Who says luxury has to be extravagant? Embrace the local culture and enjoy free or low-cost activities like strolling through vibrant markets, attending local festivals, and exploring natural wonders. These authentic experiences add a touch of luxury to your trip without a hefty price tag. There you have it, our top tips and tricks for planning a luxury vacation on a budget. Remember, luxury doesn't always mean expensive. With a little planning and creativity, you can indulge in a luxurious experience without burning a hole in your pocket. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel insights. Safe travels, adventurers!